Can a credit consultant really get you a bigger loan? What Americans need to know. You have a pre-qualified credit card offer, a personal loan invitation, or a message saying you are approved up to a certain amount. Then someone online tells you, do not accept it yet. Come to us first, and we may be able to get you 2 or 3 times more. That sounds attractive, especially if you need money for a car, medical treatment, tuition, home repairs, debt consolidation, or an emergency. But what can a legitimate credit consultant actually do in the United States? And when does credit optimization cross the line into reckless borrowing, deception, or fraud? Start with the most important fact: a consultant cannot approve your loan. Only the lender can do that. A consultant may help you review credit reports, identify errors, compare lenders, organize documents, estimate your debt-to-income ratio, and understand which products may fit your profile. A mortgage broker may shop among lenders, but the final underwriting decision still belongs to the lender. Prequalification and preapproval are not guarantees. They are preliminary evaluations based on assumptions and limited information. A lender may still verify your income, employment, identity, debts, recent applications, and other details before final approval. The amount shown in an advertisement or banking app is not money already sitting in your account. This is where many consumers make a costly mistake. They see several offers and apply everywhere at once. Most formal applications create hard inquiries. Those inquiries can affect a credit score because scoring systems consider how recently and how often you seek new credit. Rate shopping for the same type of mortgage, auto loan, or student loan within a limited period may be treated more favorably. But that does not make numerous credit card or personal loan applications harmless. A knowledgeable advisor should focus on preparation, not tricks. Before applying, review all 3 credit reports. Check for accounts that are not yours, incorrect late payments, duplicate collections, outdated balances, or identity theft warning signs. Correcting a genuine error is legitimate. Inventing an error, disputing accurate information to hide it, or promising to erase truthful negative history is not. Next, calculate affordability. Lenders often examine debt-to-income ratio, which compares monthly debt payments with gross monthly income. But your budget matters even more. A lender may approve a payment that leaves you struggling after rent, food, insurance, child care, utilities, taxes, and medical expenses. Approval answers the bank's question, does this loan meet our standards? It does not answer yours, will this improve my life? A legitimate advisor should explain the total cost, not celebrate the largest limit. Compare the annual percentage rate, origination fee, monthly payment, term, prepayment rules, and total interest. Borrowing $50,000 at a high rate is not a victory merely because another lender offered only $20,000. The best loan may be the smaller one, or no loan at all. Be extremely careful with anyone who says, "We know the right bank manager. We guarantee approval, we can hide your other applications. Or pay us first and we will unlock the money." The Federal Trade Commission warns that advance fee loan schemes often promise credit regardless of history and demand a processing, insurance, or service fee before delivering anything. A real professional should clearly explain the service, written contract, fees, cancellation rights, licensing, and privacy practices. Never provide false income, fake pay stubs, altered bank statements, invented employment, a false loan purpose, or incomplete information about debts. Do not let a consultant submit an application you have not reviewed. Your name is on it. A strategy that works only because several lenders do not yet see newly opened accounts is not sound planning. If the plan depends on misleading a lender, walk away. There is also a security issue. To check offers, a company may ask for your social security number, online banking password. verification codes, email access, or remote control of your phone. A legitimate business may need specific documents, but it should not need unrestricted control of your financial life. Never share one-time security codes or allow someone to impersonate you during identity verification. What if your application is denied? Do not immediately pay someone who claims to know a secret solution. In many cases, the lender must provide an adverse action notice explaining the main reasons or telling you how to request them. Read the notice, verify the data, and address the actual problem, rather than chasing another promise. If you are already in collections, first confirm that the debt is yours and the amount is correct. Then calculate what you can realistically pay and negotiate directly or with qualified help. Get any settlement agreement in writing before sending money. Debt settlement programs can damage credit, add fees and interest, and sometimes expose consumers to lawsuits while payments are withheld. A dramatic promise to erase debt is not a safe repayment plan. Can professional guidance help a qualified borrower obtain better terms or choose a more suitable lender? Yes. Experience, organization, and market knowledge can save time and prevent unnecessary applications, but no advisor can lawfully manufacture income, create creditworthiness that does not exist, guarantee approval, or turn an unaffordable borrower into a safe one with a secret sequence of buttons. Before hiring anyone, ask 5 questions. What exactly will you do? How are you paid? Are you licensed where required? Will you make any hard inquiries? What happens if I receive no loan? Mortgage consumers can check professionals through the nationwide multi-state licensing system. You can review your credit reports through the federally authorized annualcreditreport.com service instead of an unfamiliar link sent by a stranger. The real value of credit advice is not how much money can we pull from the system today? It is, how much can you responsibly borrow, at what cost, for what purpose, and with what repayment plan? Credit can help a family buy a home, replace a vehicle, fund education, or manage an emergency. It can also turn one difficult month into years of expensive payments. Do not confuse access to credit with wealth. A large limit is a liability until it is repaid. The smartest borrower is not the person who collects the most approvals. It is the person who understands the contract, protects personal information, rejects dishonest shortcuts, and borrows only when the expected benefit is greater than the total cost. This video is for general education and is not financial, legal, tax, or credit advice. Rules and licensing requirements vary by state and product. Before signing anything, read the documents, verify the company, and consider speaking with a qualified nonprofit credit counselor, attorney, or licensed financial professional.